Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review an amazing new crypto project which is kittycoin.global. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you are new here, please hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with our reviews. Thanks a lot. Now let's get started with our video. Kitty Finance. Kitty Finance is the ticket to dream life. The blockchain lottery to realize a dream. They have overtaken Doge and they are more valuable to the crypto community. It's a meme project which is being introduced in the market. It's the latest model in the crypto market. How to buy Kitty? It's a simple 5-step procedure. The step 1 includes you creating a MetaMask wallet. You can simply visit the metamask.io to download the extension or set up your wallet on Google Chrome if you are using PC. Or you can also download the MetaMask app on your iPhone or Android phone. You can visit PancakeSwap. You can connect your MetaMask wallet to PancakeSwap and your MetaMask wallet will automatically obtain a Binance Smart Chain address. Furthermore, in the step 3, it includes you can send BNB to MetaMask and existing BNBs to your MetaMask wallet address. In step 4, you will buy a Kitty on Kitty website and the Kitty coins will be added to your MetaMask wallet. Now let's have a talk about Kitty Finance. They have vision to open a kitty themed cafe. The kitty community give you a freedom to choose your life. Every community friend who likes kitty may all have a dream of saying goodbye to boring job, opening a kitty themed cafe and turning their hobby into their own career. Open a cat cafe, buy a house for family, leave a BTC for your children, buy a car, travel around the world with your lover. They have a destruction mechanism which include that 100% KT people used to join KT lottery will be burnt to reduce KT supply and help KT price grow every week, which is a pretty good thing. The lottery bonus will be distributed from KT Dreams Fund. They have provided most verified security. The KT technical team comes from international leading crypto exchanges while ensuring the security of the system through smart contracts. Relying on years of rich security experience, tech team will try best to prevent various loopholes in the development of Kitty ecosystem and ensure the security of your assets. Also, the Kitty lottery, they have introduced that if you buy the Kitty coin, you will be entered automatically in the Kitty lottery program where you can win a chance to raise a kitty or you can get iPhone 12, overseas trips, and other different things just in one kitty coin. Simply, if you want to stake on Kitty, you can have annual profits of 5.16% on 10 periods. Where the period includes years and balances others expected profits. You can add your kitties here. You can enter the staking amount and you can simply click on staking to start staking Kitty and earn money. The Kitty charity have included two main themes like rescuing homeless animals and helping dropout girls in developing areas to return to schools. You can donate in these goodwills for your own satisfaction. Let's have a look on the roadmap. The roadmap is includes started April 2021. They had Kitty Coin Global Community Building. They in May they had Kitty subscription starts, Dream Life Lottery releases, in furthermore, they have Kitty Global Charity starts and in progress July 2021. They had Kitty team come from global top exchanges when community fit the requirement will list directly. In progress is that December 2021 they had fun community member to open the first Kitty cafe and they have future plans also. If you want to contact Kitty dot coin dot global, you can simply contact them by clicking on this link. If you want to join their autonomous communities, you can join them on Telegram and you can follow them on Twitter also. I hope you would have liked the video. We talked about the Kitty Finance as good as we had to. Thanks a lot.